Okay, so this is a presentation document that I have on my Google Slides account. And this is a brand new presentation document that I created using the Manus AI agent. As you can see, even though the topic was different, the style looks pretty much the same as in the previous document. So it is now possible to create a more consistent or branded presentation slides using Manus AI. So basically you can provide the reference design or documents which might contain information like the font, the size, the logo, etc. And AI will analyze that and will use that info to create a new presentation based on your previous projects. So this is very useful if you want to create a more consistent or branded presentation document. So let me show you how you can use this amazing new feature in Manus AI. So step number one, you need to get the PPTX format of your slides. Now I have this document in my Google Slides account, so I need to get this document as a PPTX format because that's the only format that is right now supported in Manus AI. So I'm going to click File, download, and then select Microsoft PowerPoint or PPTX. And after that, you can open Manus AI, which is manus.im. And you can log in with your account. So this feature is accessible regardless of your plan in the platform. Now, after that, you can describe the topic or the presentation that you want AI to generate. In this case, I want you to generate a simple presentation document that explains the butterfly effect. Okay, that's going to be my prompt. And after that, click Create Slides. And here at the bottom, you can click Import Template, and you can upload the PPTX document that you just created or downloaded. I'm going to just drag and drop that file and just wait for Manus AI to analyze and convert that document as a template. So basically, you can just upload the document once and reuse it multiple times when you're trying to create a presentation document using Manus AI. Okay, so the document has been converted into a template. Now we can use it. So after that, you can click this send button and just wait for the Manus AI agent to analyze the document and then doing some research and create your presentation. By the way, when you're creating something using Manus AI, there is a good chance that it might ask you something before continuing doing the task. So it is a common behavior in the AI agent. So you might want to monitor the process. So if there's anything that needs to be answered, you need to answer to Manus before it can continue creating or finishing the project. So this process might take quite some time, maybe about 5 minutes. So I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the result. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes and this is the result. Just a reminder, this is what the original reference document looked like. It has the accent color of green, and then there is also the combination of sort of white or beige and then black, something like that. I don't know the name of the color, but yeah, it looked like this. And this is the result on Manus AI. Okay, I would say it is following the same font or at least similar. And the color as well, the text, okay, this looks off. This is, okay, I think this is supposed to be a picture, but the images are not loaded, which is not surprising because essentially this is not a slide in the traditional sense. It is basically just a web page. So it is referring to URL of an image that probably doesn't exist anymore. That's why the image here is not showing up. But of course, you can always fix this problem. You can download the document to a different format and then you can add your own images. But anyway, let's continue. Okay, this is just too simple, not exactly the same. Okay, supposed to be pictures. And yeah, I would say it's okay. It's not doing quite a great job, but yeah, if I ignore the bad slides, I think it is able to follow the original document design. But I'm hoping that they're going to improve this design in the future. But remember, it is still in beta. That's why it is not quite perfect. So it will only get better over time. So yeah, that's how you can use a reference design to create a branded presentation slides using Manus AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.